guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and if you guys are new, welcome. You're gonna realize we have a good time over here. I like to talk, hence the reason Dre talks. So let's get into this video. So as you can see, like if you look at the title below, you know that we're going to be talking about skincare today. It's all about how I do my skincare routine in the morning, but this is just a fast, affordable way. Every skin type is different. My skin tends to vary in a sense. Like one part of my face will be oily, another part will be dry. So particularly like if you notice like right here, like my skin will be a little bit oilier. But once you go under my eyes and like my little T-zone right here, it's real, like it gets drier. So let's start. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm using today, it's by Kiwi Botanicals. It's called the Purifying Honey Melt Facial Cleanser. And when I tell you guys, this thing smells amazing. Amazing. Like just look at the texture of it. It's like a charcoalish honey, like look, just like that. And it's amazing. It smells so good. So you first want to, wash your face with warm water because, it opens up the pores. So let's get that started. And then I like to just take about this much and rub it together. Just, warm it up a little bit. And just put it all on my face. I like to do this for like about, I would say, 30 seconds because you just want to get in there. And it feels so good. Like you guys have no idea. It feels amazing. It smells great. It's very lightweight, and most like facial cleansers, they tend to dry out your skin even more. But this one's, for some reason, it has like a moisturizing effect to it. So like my face always seems like, or feels moisturized right after. So now, after you do that, I switch to the cold water so that way, to wash it off, and that closes your pores after. So once that's done, I like to take like just like a wash rag or like a face rag and just like pat dry. So, but the one thing I hate about doing my face is that it always gets into my beard. Like always, it gets into my beard and it gets into my hair. That's the one thing I hate, but I mean, it's whatever. Like I have facial hair. I can't really help that. So once you pat dry it, like if you guys notice, like you can see that my face is still moisturized. Like it's like usually like other facials, you'll see like my skin like get like real pale or like get real white. So this one, it actually stays like with moisture. So after that, I use this is called, it's a drying cream by Mario Badescu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll put it in the description below. And this one, it really just helps with acne. Like I don't really get a lot of breakouts, but when I do, this one is really good. And then you really don't even have to use a lot. Like a lot of product comes in it, but to be honest, I literally take about that much, literally. And I'll put it in like a problem area, and this will like clean out or clear out the acne, and trust me, it goes away in like, I would say like 2 days. So like right now, my problem area is like right here. So I usually just put it in the middle and you just rub it in until it gets dry. Pretty much, like you just rub it in until it's like seeps into the skin. See, just like that. And then I put that to the side, and we're almost done. So another thing, you always have to, I moisturize right after. So what I use is the L'Oreal Hydra Renewal. And this one, oh my God, this one smells really good too. It smells so good, and it's just super lightweight. And you don't even need to use that much, but you take it and just put it all over your face. Like, do you guys see this shine? Do you see that shine? Do you see that glow? Like, literally, this is all I do every morning. And like, I just love, like, it feels like a facial, because like you just sit here, you moisturize your skin, you're, like, clear skin. It gives you, like, you know, more confidence. It gives you everything. Like, it makes your appearance look better. It's just like, I love having clear skin. I love having smooth skin. Yeah, so that's what and then at the end, always gotta come with your handy dandy Carmex. Why? Because Carmex is life. Like, it makes my lips so soft. It's only $1 if you go to Dollar Tree, so it's never gonna go out of style, you know. And yeah, that's my skincare routine, and I hope you guys liked it. Make sure, another tip, always drink some water. Drink a lot of water. It helps rejuvenate the skin. It will clear out all the toxins, you know. So whatever is like might build up acne and stuff, water will help that. So make sure you guys are drinking water. I tend to drink at least 2 to 3 bottles a day. So, but that's just me. And yeah, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And no, I do not use a toner, because what I realized with toners, they tend to dry my skin out, and I don't like that, because then when it dries out, it starts to burn, and that's the only reason I don't use a toner. I heard there's a lot of benefits, so if you guys know any good toners, or toners that are made for dry skin, you can put it in the comments below, and I'll definitely go and check it out, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button, because I will be back with another video. Thank you guys for watching.